Hey guys! Okay, so today we have another thrift store rescue, and this time it's a 2004 City Style Barbie. I found her looking, let's say, rough. She got blonde hair with brown streak, super early 2000s, very city chic, but right now she's giving city dumpster. Her face is dirty, her hair has these black bigs that I really don't want to think too hard about, and her neck slightly broken. She's wearing this random dress that's actually from a 1994 Sweet and Pretty fashion pack. Her legs are pretty dirty too. Not sure is it visible on camera. Anyway, today we are going to clean her up, fix her neck, wash her hair, and give her a proper city style glow up. Let's get started. So first thing first, I started brushing her hair, hoping to just gently remove the dirt. There were these weird little black bigs stuck in the strings. I don't know what it is, and at this point, I don't want to know. Every time I pulled the brush through, it was like, ugh. I kept brushing and brushing, trying to make it look less horrifying. And look at all these dirty bigs. Next, her poor neck is cracked, but not fully snapped off. So I grabbed my trusty super glue. Alright, doctor here reporting for duty. Patient Barbie has sustained severe neck trauma. We are proceeding with glue therapy. I glued the broken part and held it in place for a few minutes. Okay, now let's get this dress off and see what we are working with underneath. Oh no, I see stains. So apparently our girl has been sitting in something questionable. There was stain on her butt. So here I am with nail polish remover and a cotton pad, literally wiping Barbie's butt. And it felt so weird. But hey, it works. The stain actually came off pretty easily, which is always satisfying. Once her butt was finally stain-free, I move on to her leg. More dirt, more stain, so more nail polish remover. I started wiping every section carefully, and surprisingly, her skin tone underneath looked really nice, and even once the grime was gone. And seriously, seeing the cotton pad go from white to grey is really satisfying. Then I used a cotton swab to clean her face. There were dark marks near her cheek and forehead, and after a few gentle swipes, her face started looking so much fresher. Now, it's time to wash her hair. I use regular shampoo on her hair. Then I scrub her body with some soap and old toothbrush and rinse them off. Then I use conditioner on her hair and brush it through. After that, I did a quick boil wash for her hair to make it smooth again. This is her hair after boil washing and brushing. And after that, I let the hair air dry overnight. And when I check in the morning, wow, her hair looks shiny and smooth again. For her hairstyle, I decided to keep it simple. I took 2 small pieces of her hair from the front and tied them underneath the back. It's giving her that cute, effortless, clean girl vibe while showing off her face and hair color nicely. Now that her hair is done, it's time to style her. I dress her in a simple cute white top, a pair of jeans, a cute little bag, and some black heels. Classic and clean. Then I added a few accessories, a belt and a bracelet to complete her look. And here she is, our fully restored Barbie. From dirty hair, broken net, and mystery stain to a sleek hairstyle and fresh outfit, she is officially a city girl again. I'm honestly so happy with how she turned out. And if you enjoyed this makeover, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more doll rescue and transformation video. And tell me in the comment what's the weirdest or dirtiest thrift store doll you ever found. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!